Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. So today I have a great news for you. You can make primers yourself for the super successful clone. Before starting, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. In our PhD lab or research lab, we always struggle for successful clone. We work day and night for weeks, even for months, to make a successful clone, and many times we fail. So, cloning is a long and tedious process where we set up PCR reaction, run agarose gel electrophoresis, and many times after long hard work we don't get any band in the gel. So it is the most pathetic situation for a researcher to find a gel like that. We get depressed and think, why man, why things like that occur only with me? So there might be different reasons why cloning does not occur successfully. Among them, most important one is use of wrong primer sequence or error in PCR setup reaction. We think making a primer is easiest. Yes, indeed it is, but only when you know the correct protocol. We just put the desired gene sequence in many online free primer making websites. Yes, so many are there, but when we use them, we don't get proper PCR products. Sometimes we get non-specific bands, sometimes we get no bands at all. Actually, there are many factors that you need to follow while making a clone, such as TM, that is the melting temperature, GC%, so how many guanine and cytosine residues are present in your primer. We need to know whether your primer forms hairpin, whether your primers have cis annealing sites, whether they form primer dimer, etc. You also need to know whether your primer sequence is present in the genome of the target organism. If it is present, you will always get non-specific bands. So you need to check everything. I have already launched an online program where I am teaching you every details of these in an one-to-one learning process. I promise you will become a pro in primer making after this course. In this course, you will be able to learn how to extract DNA sequence from NCBI database. You will identify CDS, that is the coding sequence, from whole gene sequence. Then you will make your best customized primer accordingly, because best primer means best PCR, and best PCR means super successful clone. Now, what types of primer you can make after my class? I will teach you how to make primers for conventional cloning and PCR. You can make primers to make your gene mutant. In this case, you will know how to make primers for deletion mutant, that is if you want to delete a particular portion of your gene of interest, or if you want to change the sequence at a particular point, that is point mutation. So you can do it easily after my class. I will also teach you how to make primer for real-time PCR or qPCR. I will explain in the easiest way so that cloning becomes fun for you. Now, not only this, I have a bonus for you. I will teach you how can you set up your PCR reaction after making primers. That means you can plan a customized PCR reaction setup for your each and every clone. Because even though you know how to make a good primer, you will not be able to get a great band if you do not set up your PCR reaction properly. Because every PCR reaction is unique, that depends on your primer. No common PCR reaction setup can give you a perfect result. And you will be also able to discuss with me if you are stuck with a particular PCR. If you are trying for that and you are not getting result, so we can try to solve the matter together. And I will explain everything in English or Hindi or Bengali where you feel comfortable. So the last thing, only at rupees 499 you can learn everything. That is cheapest and easily affordable. For that, just text me or call me at 9019765145 and book your convenient time. I have also launched a program for rDNA technology at a super affordable price. I am coming with that in next video. Please stay with me.